What's going on, guys? Back with another one. Alright, in case y'all didn't know, I made a video over there on TikTok to let y'all know to be sure to let everybody know to subscribe over here at BASSWITHKEV.com or YouTube, BASSWITHKEV. That way you can always stay up to date on my latest content. I don't know, TikTok may not be going away, but if it does, you know, we're gonna stay over here at YouTube and all the other social media platforms. Of course, y'all know y'all can go and search all of those, and you better keep up with me on those sites as well. So you make sure to come over here to BASSWITHKEV.com, or like I say, search YouTube on BASSWITHKEV, and then you better find me. But nothing else, man. You know, you can search anywhere else and find me. And you know, you can always go to CardioConnect.com. Be able to find me there with all my latest social media links, as well as my discount codes that you know, y'all might want to use to save on your next cardio purchase. So, you know, definitely you want to get over there and check that out. But like I said, it's warming up today. It's 43 degrees so far. Of course, we still got a little bit of snow on the ground, but everything is melting away, and it's been good. Y'all may hear the air pump in the background. I'm airing up the black truck. It's been on flat for a while. Everything is kind of at a standstill. It's kind of been a slow off season or whatnot. We hadn't really been doing much. It's kind of been, like I said, it's kind of been slow. I guess slow for everybody, but we haven't been doing as much as we usually probably would have been doing. But we're keeping the demo videos going. That's the reason why I don't upload all of my videos at once. I know a lot of people want me to do that, but I really can't do that because it really wouldn't make much sense as far as let's say a business standpoint. You know, I can't just upload them all at once and then I just don't have any content left. So that's why I don't upload everything all at once. You know, as much as it sounds good to say, you know, some people say, well, I don't want to make money on YouTube, but that's cool, you know. But you know, I would rather make a few dollars to support when I'm going to these shows, because I'm going 5 and 6 and 8 hours and 13-hour drives, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it doesn't really fit me to say, well, I don't want to make money from YouTube or make money from what I do. That doesn't sound logical. Excuse the roosters or whatever that is over there. They got some roosters over there, they laugh. But but that's the thing, you know, it's better for me to make a few dollars. Of course, y'all can hit the cash out, basically, if you really want to support the channel. But other than that, like, YouTube don't pay me a lot. You know, I haven't seen, I probably haven't even made $1,000 off of this. So they let you know, I'm making all these trips to shows and stuff on my own dime. So, you know, that's the case on that. But I like to be able to make more money on here if possible. So we're just gonna keep it going. You know, it's not all about the money. It is about money, but it's not about the money, because if that was the case, we'd have quit a long time ago because we ain't making no money. So, you know, we gotta like doing what we're doing. So definitely you gotta like doing what you're doing enough to where you can spend your own money without seeing any profits back from it for a long time. Sometimes you may not even see it, but you did give it a try. So that's where we're at with it. You know, we're not gonna fall out about this. You know, if it don't come fast enough, sometimes, you know, you gotta work slow so you can do it some more. You know, the old country saying go, you gotta work slow so you can do it some more. So that's what we're going for. We ain't rushing it. You know, if it come, but you know, this ain't the first thing we done did, and it, you know, it don't work out fast or whatnot. But like I said, we gonna keep this content coming just like y'all like for us to do it. So y'all should go to CardioConnect.com, use my affiliate link to support the channel. Of course, you can hit the cash app if you want to down in the description. That's on you if you do. If you don't, you don't. That's cool, because I appreciate y'all just hitting the subscribe button. That's free. So that's good for me right there. So we're going to keep on going to these shows. I need y'all to leave some comments down below with some shows down there in the description. We might can make it, we might not, but, you know, it's always a chance. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all can leave some shows down there below, we'll be good. But definitely hit the notification bell and after you subscribe and all of that, so you can know what's going on. But yeah, man, it's been a lot going on as far as in the community. But you know, there's always, you know, don't let nothing else steer you away from doing what you're doing. You know, if other people have issues going on, stay out of it and just do what makes you happy, rather. Put your system together, have fun, ride around, play it, do what you do. You know, don't let another man or woman or whoever determine if you're gonna quit a hobby, you know what I mean? So definitely don't let that discourage you when you see other guys and gals into it, you know. So, you know, I always say, man, you know, my next door neighbor, if they get into it arguing or whatever it is, it ain't gonna make me a difference, you know what I'm saying? As long as it's something got something to do with them and not me. You know, that's the way I look at this part of. Don't let other people's arguments, you know, we all grown here, man. We can't let other people's arguments determine if we do something, you know what I mean? If my neighbor, you know, does something next door, I'm not gonna stop eating tomorrow. You know what I mean? It's not that kind of program. You know, if it doesn't directly affect you, then that's different. Even the guys who argue all the time, they're not quitting. You know what I mean? They're not quitting because somebody said something or because somebody's into it. So you shouldn't either. So, you know, definitely keep going, and that's what we're gonna do. And I hope you do the same thing. So y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Of course, use the link down below. Got the Cash App if you want to donate there, or if you want to just hit the subscribe button, which is really just as good. So I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. I'm gonna see y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in.